pages. Yeah, I'm gonna make some French toast, we'll eat some breakfast, and we'll get on with our day. I am about to head out to Trader Joe's to get some things. I am vlogging on my phone for the time being because I don't want to get my camera germed up, you know what I mean? I brought my Clorox wipes. They're in my purse. Let's go have a safe grocery store run. Okay guys, so I went to Trader Joe's. It was amazing. I want to give a shout out to them. They kept everything so sanitary. They required gloves. They were cleaning down everything. They were making sure to remind you to clean down your phones before you put on gloves. I got some flowers there. I'll show you, they're right here. Now I'm gonna head home.
Hey.
Hi. So we are back inside. I just put away all of our groceries. Chandler is out back weeding some things. And I was going to make some cute little bouquets out of the flowers that I got from Trader Joe's. Yeah, just a little 411. So I'm gonna get ready to do some flowering and possibly some delivering. Clean the house a little bit and yeah. Wanted you guys to see this view. Look how pretty. So I put a little flower food and baggies on each one. I'm snacking. And I'm going to get in the car and take these to delivery. Okay, so I muted her, but I'm on FaceTime with one of the people that I'm delivering to. I have her right there on my phone. But I have the flowers here. I'm gonna go drop them off, so you'll see me do a little ding and dash, and she's still on FaceTime, so I'm gonna go, but you'll see me deliver in a minute. Oh my gosh, that was so exhilarating. First delivery down, one more to go. Now we're on to the next ones, and this is just so cool, so awesome. Alright, so we are making a pit stop at the dump. I have all these boxes in my car from our house that have been needing to be given the dump. So you are going to hang out with me while I dump all this stuff. Good morning, guys. Today it's the next day, in case you were wondering. I'm in my pajamas still. I wanted to make some coffee. We have the Breville, is that what it's called? Espresso machine. So I'm putting scoops of milk chocolate powder. I just love sugar, so I'm gonna pull a double shot with some, I don't know if I'm going to do regular milk or almond milk, but I'm going to do that really quick. and then I'm going to make an egg sandwich. I look crazy, so I think I'm going to make some breakfast, finish making my coffee, and get ready for the day. So I thought I would bring my makeup out here. The lighting is better in here, and Chandler's in the shower right now listening to the news. So we're having a momentary issue because I'm missing one of the parts to my overalls, and first of all, I have no idea how to do this, but this part only has this. It doesn't have like the line one. So I'm super gluing it. Can you see me? I'm super gluing it to the fabric. But it's taking so long to dry. So I'm just like, I blow dried it and now I'm blowing on it. Okay, so I got impatient and I kind of wiped a lot of the glue off. I'm just hoping it doesn't stick to my white shirt, but I think it'll be fine. I would like to go bake muffins, so we're gonna go. Okay, so I'm gonna make banana blackberry muffins. So I have my Bob's Red Mill gluten-free muffin mix. I'm going to be using this because I don't know how to make my own muffins. I don't have gluten-free flour. So it says half cup of oil, 1 cup of milk. I think I'm going to do almond milk so they are dairy-free. 2 eggs, and it says 1.5 cup of add-ins. So that I'm going to do, I think 3/4 cup and 3/4 cup bananas and blackberries, so it's even. So here's the bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and open my mix. Cut it. It smells so good. Half cup of oil, 1 cup of milk. Almond milk instead of dairy milk. So I'm gonna add that in and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got splashed on my head. Do you see that? Okay, so I have 1 cup of almond milk. Pouring it on in. Alright, now I'm going to get a half cup of oil. Oh my goodness, I just went to check on them and they are done. This is like the hardest part for me, is getting this out. Oh my goodness, look at those muffins! Oh my goodness, you guys, they're so cute. I'm putting the last batch in the oven. Okay, I think I'm gonna try a muffin. Oh my goodness, okay, let's see. Do you see the steam? That's good. Chandler doesn't like my muffins. Tell me how they taste.
Good.
You can say you don't like them.
No, they're great.
Chandler, stop. Don't make that face. They're not that bad. I'll eat the rest for you. Okay. Oh my gosh, you are such a wuss. They are delicious. You're so silly.
Not good.
They're so good. Would you like a camper? Okay guys, so today has been weird. I woke up, did a couple things, got ready, baked some muffins, cleaned a little bit. It has just already been a full day. It's already 6 o'clock, well 6:30 at night, which is nuts. I just want to say, I'm eating puffs right now. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I know this time is so weird and you don't really know what to do, but the multitude of opportunities that come from being able to stay at home with your family or with your loved one, with your puppies, with your kitty cats, with your hamsters, with your hermit crabs, with whatever. There's so many opportunities, whether that means cleaning your house or going for walks, bringing flowers to people. I just hope that you guys find the best out of this situation. We'll link my gluten-free muffin recipe down below for you guys. I almost feel discouraged because I know that these quarantine vlogs aren't going to be as interesting as a day in the life where I'm running errands and doing fun things, but I'm reminded that there's beauty in the simplicity of all this. Be sure to like, comment, and
Poop your pants.
such a child. Subscribe.
Okay.
Be sure to like, comment, and